according to the BJS, about 9,300 Americans are stalked every single day. How is that possible? Well, technology is helping stalkers. Today I'm going to show you how they can do it, and most importantly, how you can prevent it. Protecting yourself is the first step to protecting your family. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep learning how to defend yourself and your loved ones online. Until a few years ago, if someone wanted to stalk you, they had to follow you physically. They had to watch you at the park, follow you down to the street, and wait until you got home. But today, stalkers have modernized. They can hide an AirTag in your bag, in your car, or even in your coat without you knowing it. It costs $30 and is the size of a coin, so it's very difficult to find it. And they can track your every move 24/7. It's so easy that they often hide it inside your car's gas tank door. You don't notice anything, and you just go on with your day. But they are following you from their home or a cafe shop, tracking every single move that you make. But there is a good news, because today, both iPhone and Android can detect if an AirTag or similar is following you and send a notification to your phone. So if you see a notification like this, please do not ignore it. Your smartphone can also help you to find the malicious AirTag by guiding you on the map. AirTags and similar are also designed to make a sound if they recognize that they are used to follow someone, but expert stalkers know how to break them. They know how to remove the speaker inside the AirTag so it will be completely silent. So don't wait for a sound to save you. The notification that you receive on the phone is your completely reliable warning. And when you go looking for it and you find it, do not throw it away, because you could put other people in danger. If you put it in a trash can, the stalker will follow the trash can. But when someone finds it and actually take it, the stalker will follow him. So when you find it, keep it, take a photo of the serial number and remove the battery inside of it so you can stop the signal. Then report it to your local police department, or even better, to the FBI IC3, the Internet Crime Complaint Center. They can use the serial number to find the owner of the AirTag. It's like a digital trail that it will lead to the owner, to the stalker. Technology like these devices can be useful or dangerous. It's like a knife. It can help you, or even in some cases can save your life, but also it can hurt you very badly. You just need to learn how to use it. And you? Have you ever been tracked by an AirTag? Let us know in the comment. And give us a like if this video was helpful. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you can make the most of technology and also learn how to defend yourself from it. Now, see ya in the next video. Ciao!